Welcome back to my channel. We start with mapping out a diamond section in the top and fringe zone. We start with two finely weaved sections, applying bleach and 20 volume peroxide from roots to ends. This color application is perfect for adding texture and dimension to a bob, haircut, or a heavy fringe. In this tutorial, you will learn everything there is to know how to apply this salon-friendly color application. I love this color application as it can be tailored to your vivid color or natural color clients. This is my top tip of how to apply a foil that doesn't fall out. Amazing for when you're doing color applications in between, like a simple tint application. I use my tail comb to weave from the root area. I gently place the foil, using the tension from my section and my pinky finger on my left hand to keep the foil in place. I apply my product 10 millimeters or 1 centimeter away from the root area. I then place my left hand under the foil, using it as a board to help emulsify the product through the section of hair. Now I have less product on my brush, I ensure the roots are thoroughly covered. I then neatly double fold my foil to firmly keep the package in place. I now continue the same process, taking fine slices to increase color throughout this zone. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more color applications on my YouTube channel. Tell me, do you prefer vivid color or natural color applications? To complete the application, we continue with weaving to blend and diffuse the foils into the main color zone. If you value my work, please show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Using a classic tint application technique, I apply the color level 6 natural with 6 ash equal parts. We allow the color to process for 20 to 30 minutes. This is a semi-permanent. YouTube fam, I am super excited to announce that I have started a YouTube membership option for all my VIP subscribers. I will be sharing in-depth, behind-the-scenes styling tutorials for every new haircut that I launch. Also, how to refine and personalize, creating epic texture. Yes, on every single new haircutting tutorial moving forward. I'll be sharing all my tips and tricks, my do's and don'ts, the what, how, and whys to every future haircut that I launch on this channel, all for $3.99 per month. I think other YouTubes only offer badges for that. Show me some love and support my channel by becoming a member, or continue to support my channel by watching and liking my work. Cheers, guys. It's important to work quickly and neatly, ensuring the client's face and skin is free from color stainage. We complete this process by gently applying the color in between our foils. I can't wait for you to see my next tutorial. It's a super cute 1920s inspired box bob haircut with advanced sectioning to create stunning texture and movement. Can't wait to see what you think. After rinsing the color, I take some of the moisture out. I am now applying the sky blue vivid color, painting the color through small sections, keeping everything neat and tidy. Most of the time on the salon floor, I would choose this color application with a medium brown all over color and with a caramel toner for the foils, creating a beautiful, natural and salon-friendly commercial color application. I have plenty of clients that like this subtle, vivid color because it's subtle enough for them to feel comfortable going to work and not feeling too loud. I allow the color to process for 15 minutes before rinsing. This is my super simple vivid color application on a super cute textured bob haircut. Become a member of my channel and learn how to style this bob haircut. This is my super simple vivid color application on a super cute textured bob haircut. And if you liked this tutorial, be sure to watch this one next.